Good morning, welcome to another session with OCD. Welcome to my workshop. So today is Friday, 31st of January, and some people call it Brexit. I'm going to call it Garage Therapy Maintenance Wash Day, and that's what we're going to do. So if you've been watching my channel, you'll see that I've been testing Garage Therapy's prototype ceramic spray on my wife's car and my son's car. Excuse me, frightened me frog. And with my son's car we did the two slightly different. My son's car put one coat on it, and yesterday we give it a power rinse to see how the dirt was washed off the car. That was successful, and then to see the water sheeting. It wasn't washed, it was just power rinsed. Today we're going to wash my wife's car. We're going to give it a proper maintenance wash. Now again, if you've checked back on my videos, you'll see that on my wife's car what I actually did was gave the car two coats of the prototype ceramic spray. So that's had two coats. We've washed it once a week or 2 weeks ago, I'm not sure, and that was quite successful. The dirt flew off the car, the water beading, everything was looking good, but we haven't put any other products on it. So today we're going to give it a proper maintenance wash with Garage Therapy products, because the way my understanding of Garage Therapy's product line as it's growing is that we've got 0 to decontaminate your car, we've got 1 wheel shampoo to wash your wheels, we've got 1 car shampoo to wash the car, and we've got 2 quick detailer, and I use this predominantly as a drying aid. So we've got those products at the moment, but Garage Therapy have now introduced, or will be introducing, a ceramic spray. So with my wife's car I've already got the ceramic spray on. That's got 2 coats of that, so that's the base coat protection. Today we're going to wash the wheels and wash the car with their 1 shampoo, and then we're going to do Garage Therapy's 2 quick detailer as my drying aid. So that's the whole Garage Therapy current brand, if you like. So that's how they're designing this, so that you can use their products all together. They've got a synergy and they all work together. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to put 1 car shampoo in my multi sprayer, my multi foamer. So that's going to be, I'm going to rinse the car. I'm going to put 20 millilitres of the product into the foamer, and that's going to be my snow foam. And then we're going to wash it with 1 shampoo, and then when I rinse it I will then use 2 as my drying aid. Before we wash the car, let's just go out and have a look at it. Now my wife doesn't use her car that much, but since we've been trying this product out on it, we've been using it almost daily, and it's been, as you know, it's been wet, damp conditions, but it still looks clean. The dirt is having trouble sticking to the car, and it still looks clean. So anyway, let's go out and have a look, and then we'll give it the full treatment and see what we think of it at the end. So we've seen the results of a pressure wash or a pressure rinse with this product, this ceramic spray, but we haven't seen it with topped up with a drying aid. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to stop talking, and you can wake up, I'll stop talking, and we'll get some work done. So here we are. And obviously I lied to you, my wife's just got back, she's been out this morning, and as you can see, it has picked up a fair bit of grime. I don't know what she's driven through, it wasn't like this yesterday, I promise you. But anyway, it is what it is. Oh, that's some right muck on the back, look. Right, well that'll be interesting to see how that all comes off. Right, okay, let's get the pressure washer on it. Right, so I washed the wheels. Let's see how the dirt gets on with on the car. Right, so that was one car shampoo. That's been dwelling for about 3 minutes now, so we're just going to wash that off. Right, so I'll gently rinse the top. Just go over that with a gentle buff. Right, so let's have a quick shifty around. Right, so there we go. How about that? That's service with a smile. Got bacon sarnie for cleaning the car. Cool. Right, so where are we? So the car has now got a prototype. I think that is prototype A. Garage Therapy. Shut that door. Garage Therapy ceramic spray. Then I used one wheel shampoo, Garage Therapy one wheel shampoo, one car shampoo, and then I used Quick Detailer 2 as a dry aid. Job done. Looks absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. So that's Garage Therapy's current range. Well, that's not in the range yet, but hopefully it will be. Now there's 3 prototypes they've got out, as you know. One with me. I think Specky's got 2 different types and Paul's got 1, so this might not be the one that comes to market, I don't know. And even if it does, I talking to Maz last night, I think they're still talking about tweaking it a little bit, so not sure what is actually going to come to market. I don't know the sizes, I don't know the cost. All I know is that looks fantastic. So there we are. As I said before, I'm going to finish my bacon sandwich, finish my cup of tea, clear up, and that was Garage Therapy's maintenance wash. So until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.